Navy Federal Credit Union integrates Zelle directly into its mobile app and online banking for fast, free transfers to and from U.S. bank accounts. Use only with trusted people. Transfers are irreversible. Setup, enrollment. Download and open the Navy Federal mobile app or log in to online banking at navyfederal.org. Navigate to move money, Zelle, send money, or get started if first time. Accept terms and conditions. Enter your U.S. mobile number or email address. Receive and enter the one-time verification code. Select your eligible checking or savings account. Enrollment is instant. Using Zelle, send money, move money. Zelle, send, enter. Recipient is enrolled. Email, phone, amount, review, send, request, split. Similar menu for requests or bill splits. Receive. Funds deposit automatically if enrolled. Ask senders to use your registered contact.